making a tincture out of orange peel, dandelion root, and some ginger, and then I'll cover this with alcohol, which I'll do now. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover this to here, and it will sit. This will sit for a month, and then we'll make a tincture out of this, and we'll strain the parts of it because it extracts all the medicinal properties from the plant using alcohol. You can also use vinegar, and it depends what kind of plant it is and what you're seeking out of it. Also, I'm gonna read about dandelion in this book, my favorite book. If you wanna read with me, stay and read with me. So dandelion, it has this yellow flowers, and it's very easy to spot in any garden, in any grass field. They will pop up, and usually when they pop up is because it's very condensed soil, dense soil, and the soil is lacking calcium, so it's giving actually calcium to the soil. So it's very easy to identify, like you can't go wrong with dandelion. That is a very easy plant to find, and you can use the flowers in cooking, baking, and the leaves as a salad. So harvest time is usually, for the root, is the springtime, because all the nutrients are in the root before the flowers pop up. And the young leaves also really nice in the early spring. And for like natural medicine, it's used for many things, like the bitter flavored compound in the dandelion root and leaves give the plant its diuretic properties, which is in turn to help purify the blood and liver and relieves muscle spasm and reduces inflammation. The leaves are more diuretic action than the root. Although misunderstood by many gardeners, dandelions actually restore minerals and other nutrient-rich ingredients to the soil, like it gives calcium. It helps create drainage channels, and yeah, it helps like to loosen up the soil because it's very compact in that area. And are important for early blooming bee plants. So here are some other medicinal uses. So it is so for the dandelion root, which I used here in the tincture, it's both for the digestive and bitter properties are helpful when used for indigestion, sleep disorder, relieving heartburn and constipation, and stimulating the appetite. If taken before a meal, dandelion will help increase the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, increasing bioavailability of nutrients, especially calcium, which, yeah, it's something that will help with calcium. Some studies reported that insulin found in dandelion root may assist helpful bacteria grown in the digestive tract. In addition, dandelion root anti-inflammatory properties are used to treat rheumatic gout and eczema. The root may also help with lowering cortisol, high blood pressure. The constitutional insulin found in autumn dandelion is being looked at more closely for potential in managing diabetes. I didn't know that. So then I can use for also diabetic problems. Dandelion is also good for treating the symptoms associated with PMS. In keeping with the fresh name pissenlit, which means to piss the bed, pissenlit, I cannot say the Latin name. or is it French? Oh no, sorry, French name is linked. I don't speak French. Dandelion leaf support the kidneys as a natural diuretic that helps increase urine output, allowing the body to reduce water retention in case of edema. This contribution to support improving digestion, liver function, and may help with high blood pressure and weight loss. Most diuretics result in loss of potassium through the kidneys. Since dandelion is high in potassium, it helps counteract this effect. Dandelion has also played a historic role in the management of kidney stones. So yeah, it's overall has a lot of minerals in it, and like potassium, calcium, and it has many benefits. It says here, when infused, dandelion flowers make a beautiful golden oil, and you can also, so you can make a bunch of things like dandelion wine. It says here she has many recipes, like a cake, dandelion cake, but also to get the more like medicinal properties of the root, to preserve it, you make a tincture out of it, and it's more concentrated from that. And yes, so yeah, that's it from the book. And if you come back to read more about